The LFJ LAT Pulley System stands out with its 3 interchangeable handles, allowing you to effectively target various muscle groups, including biceps, triceps, shoulders, and back. Featuring a universal loading pin with an Olympic adapter sleeve, this pulley system accommodates both 1-inch standard and 2-inch Olympic weight plates, supporting intense workouts up to 150 kilograms. The professional components include a 360-degree rotatable silent pulley wheel, ensuring smooth and noise-free operation during your exercises. Offering multiple exercise modes, this versatile system allows for a wide range of workout movements, providing you the flexibility to customize your workout routine. Assembly is straightforward, as the LLite pull-down cable machine can be easily connected to various gym equipment, making it convenient for home gym setups. The LFJ brand ensures quality and reliability, making this pulley system a solid choice for fitness enthusiasts looking to enhance their home workout experience.